No, please not now. It will take 5 to 7 days. Please, this has to work.
No fix, no fee.
Oh my God, thank you.
When your tech fails, we don't. Fix it, nerds. Same day repair. No fix, no fee. Call 0800 955 0071.